Yo, what is good everyone, and welcome back to another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we've got the newly released Jordan 6 UNC in the house. These sneakers dropped on March 5th to retailers across the globe. Just like any other UNC colorway, these were received extremely well by sneakerheads and the general public at large, selling out in just minutes. I was lucky enough to get my hands on a pair, and so for today's video, we will be taking a look at the highly coveted Jordan 6s as well as throwing them on foot for some styling. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Getting right into the box, we are presented with a Jumpman logo on top and cement accent for the bottom. Once we get inside, however, we are greeted with that same white cement print on the tissue that covered the Jordan 6 UNC. As you can see, this pair features Carolina blue, white, and dark navy. The color blocking represents Michael Jordan's alma mater, the University of North Carolina Tar Heels. Similarly to what we've seen on other collegiate style releases, this pair has been stitched or embroidered on the back patch, which reads, "Quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever." Working our way through the sneakers, we have an upper whose overlays are comprised of a soft quality leather, nubuck underlays, and 3M hidden behind the perforations on the lateral and medial portions of the shoe. The cushioning system, as seen on other Jordan 6 of the past, is comprised of a polyurethane midsole with an encapsulated air sole unit that's visible at the heel of the sneaker through the window. Now, just before we jump into the outfit portion of this video, I did want to touch on sizing. The Jordan 6 does fit true to Nike's sizing system. I personally take an 8.5, sometimes a 9 in others, but generally 8.5, and these fit perfect going with an 8.5. I think that's going to be the case for just about everyone, so go ahead and take your true Nike size. And now jumping right into the styling portion of today's video, for this first outfit, I went with the Snap cargo denim pants in the vintage blue colorway. As its name entails, these do feature an in-house custom vintage wash throughout, fitting relaxed throughout, with cargo pockets on each side, with snap button closures and an extended inseam. The Snap denim cargo pants are made to add a whole new dimension to your wardrobe, being unlike any bottoms you currently own. I personally love this pair because the extra room allows for a little bit of extra comfort, while the longer inseam makes them perfect to stack against your sneakers. For the top, I did go ahead and go with an old reliable, the Everyday Hoodie in black. The Everyday Hoodie fits slightly oversized and boxy. I've said it before, these hoodies are great because it's constructed with a nicely weighted brushed fleece and fits awesome for layering or wearing solo. This hoodie, along with a few others, did restock recently, so be sure to act quickly and hit the link below before they sell out again. I love our Everyday Hoodie so much that I went ahead and threw it on again for the next outfit, but this time in the heather gray colorway. We also restocked this color, so be sure to go ahead and hit that link below. Now for the bottoms, I did go ahead and opt for our V244 denim. The V244 denim is a recent restock to our ever-growing vintage line. The vintage denim, or V-line for short, is crafted with a relaxed fit throughout, features an extended inseam for stacking, and a vintage wash for added detail. They also feature unique pockets throughout for additional cargo as well as aesthetic, and overall just fit awesome with the Jordan 6s, as they're not too skinny to make the sneaker look extremely bulky, but at the same time, they're not too closed off at the ankle to allow them to fall right at the heel tab. And now moving on to the last outfit of the day, I had to end it with an extremely cozy one. And here we have a vintage single stitch t-shirt from the 90s. With that, I've got on our tearaway sweatpants. The tearaway sweatpants are a regular for me because not only is the thick and breathable 100% French terry cotton super soft, but the way that they were designed, being a little bit more on the roomy side, makes them extremely comfortable no matter what I'm doing. As denoted in the name, the pants feature snap buttons that go through the entire side of the leg, enabling quick and easy access or removal should the opportunity be needed. They also have a slit at the outseam for the ability to adjust how they finish at the ankle, making these pants extremely versatile to be worn with any sneakers or shoes, but in this case we have the Jordan 6 UNCs. I will have them linked below if you want additional detail or if you're interested in this product, as I will have all the items down below in the description. But with that, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Also, I want to hear what you have to say about the Jordan 6 UNC. I know it's not exactly the most celebrated of all the Jordan models, but I have to say the UNCs do look pretty nice if I don't say so myself. And so with all of that being said, we thank you for stopping by the channel. Shout out to this amazing minimal community for the continued support. And as always, I'll see you guys again in the next one for another Minimal Mondays.